Oh my gosh. You gotta shine that edge up a little bit, like that. Don't dig into it, you're just shining it up. What it's gonna do is make your edging of your puddle look straighter, your edge is straighter, and when you get done, take your wire wheel, press down on it, and then buff that. It will really make that thing shine up and buff it up. And if I took that like that and just kind of lightly scratch that edge, I'm just kind of laying that flat. You don't stand that up and gouge into that thing. Just kind of lay it flat and kind of get rid of that smoke and all off that edge. And then where's your face shield?
I don't got one today.
Oh my gosh.